Do you want to attract more money and prosperity into your life? Do you feel stuck or blocked in your financial situation? Do you worry about your future and how to pay your bills? Today, I will share with you a powerful technique that can help you shift your reality and manifest your desires. Imagine this. You wake up one morning and check your bank account. You see a huge amount of money that you didn't expect. You feel a surge of joy and gratitude. You realize that you have more than enough to live the life of your dreams. How did this happen? Did you win the lottery? Did you inherit a fortune? Did you sell a business? No. You created this reality with your mind. Sounds too good to be true, right? But it's not. It's possible for anyone who knows how to use the power of their mind to attract more money and prosperity into their life. Jose Silva understood the power of the mind. He knew that his thoughts, feelings, beliefs, and actions shaped his reality. He knew that by changing his inner state, they could change his outer circumstances. He knew that by aligning his mind with his desired outcome, he could attract it into his experience. And he knew how to do it in a simple, easy, and effective way. One of the techniques that he used is called the three-finger technique. It's a technique that can help you shift your brain waves, access your subconscious mind, and program it for success. It's a technique that can help you manifest anything you want in life, including more money and prosperity. And here's how it works. The three-finger technique is a simple but powerful method of using your fingers to trigger a state of deep relaxation, concentration, and receptivity in your mind. Do you want to attract more money and prosperity into your life? Do you feel stuck or blocked in your financial situation? Do you worry about your future and how to pay your bills? The three-finger technique is based on the idea that we can access different levels of consciousness by changing our brain waves. The brain waves are the electrical impulses that are produced by the neurons in our brain. They can be measured by an electroencephalograph, EEG, and are classified into four main categories: beta, alpha, theta, and delta. Beta waves are the fastest and most common brain waves. They are associated with our normal waking state, when we are alert, focused, and engaged in logical thinking. Beta waves range from 14 to 40 Hz, cycles per second. Alpha waves are slower than beta waves and are associated with a relaxed and calm state of mind. They are also linked to creativity, intuition, and imagination. Alpha waves range from 7 to 14 Hz. Theta waves are even slower than alpha waves and are associated with a deep meditative state, where we can access our subconscious mind and our inner wisdom. Theta waves range from 4 to 7 Hz. Delta waves are the slowest and deepest brain waves. They are associated with a state of deep sleep, where we can experience dreams, healing, and regeneration. Delta waves range from 0.5 to 4 Hz. The three-finger technique allows us to enter the alpha state of mind, where we can program our subconscious mind with positive affirmations and visualize our desired outcomes. The alpha state is also the bridge between the conscious and the subconscious mind, where we can influence our reality with our thoughts and feelings. The three-finger technique is simple and easy to do. All you need is a pair of headphones, some alpha sounds, and your three fingers, thumb and first two fingers. Here is how you do it. Step 1. Choose a goal or desire that you want to manifest in your life. It can be anything related to money or prosperity, such as earning more income from your job or business, attracting more clients or customers for your products or services, receiving unexpected money from various sources, paying off your debts or bills easily, saving or investing more money for your future, buying or owning something that you want or need, enjoying a luxurious lifestyle or travel experience, donating or sharing more money with others. Make sure that your goal or desire is specific, measurable, achievable, realistic, and time-bound. For example, I want to earn $10,000 per month from my online business by December 31st. I want to attract 100 new customers for my coaching program by January 15th. I want to receive $5,000 from an unexpected source by next week. I want to pay off my $20,000 credit card debt by March 1st. I want to save $50,000 for a down payment on a house by June 30th. I want to buy a new car worth $30,000 by April 15th. I want to enjoy a 2-week vacation in Hawaii with my family by July 31st. Step 2. Entering Alpha Meditative State. Find a comfortable position, whether sitting in a lotus pose, lying in bed, or reclining in a chair. Put on headphones and play Alpha sounds, 7 to 14 Hz. Close your eyes and take deep breaths. Focus on raising your eyes to 20 degrees above the horizon. Begin counting down from 100 in 2-second intervals. Declare to yourself, I am now counting down from 100 to 1, and when I reach 1, I will instantly enter my deep state. Step 3. Programming the trigger. Join your 3 fingers, thumb and first 2 fingers, together. Affirm, when I join my fingers together like this for a serious purpose, I will instantly reach this level of mind to accomplish whatever I desire. Step 4. Exiting the deep state. When you are done with your affirmations and visualizations, count up from 1 to 5 in 2-second intervals. Declare to yourself, I am now returning to my normal waking state, feeling refreshed and energized. Open your eyes and release your fingers. That's it. You have just learned how to use the 3-finger technique to shift your reality and attract more money and prosperity into your life. You can use this technique for any other goal or desire you have, such as health, love, happiness, success. The key is to practice this technique daily until it becomes a habit. The more you do it, the more you will train your mind to enter the alpha state easily and quickly. The more you enter the alpha state, the more you will program your subconscious mind with positive beliefs and emotions. The more you program your subconscious mind, the more you will manifest your reality according to your wishes. So what are you waiting for? Start using the 3-finger technique today and watch your life transform before your eyes. You have nothing to lose and everything to gain. Remember, you are a reality creation expert who can shape your reality with your mind. You have the power within you to create anything you want. All you need is a little help from your 3 fingers. So if you are ready to learn how to use your imagination to create the life you want, stay tuned and subscribe to this YouTube channel. And remember, you are not living in a material world. You are living in a world of imagination. If you want to learn more about how to use these tools effectively, check out my manifestingreality.com website where you can find more tips, stories, resources, and products that will help you create your dream reality. If you're keen to delve deeper, consider joining the free course, Hack Your Subconscious Mind with Switchwords, and connecting with a community of like-minded individuals on our free Facebook group Switchwords Miracles and Reality Creation. Thank you for joining us on this transformative journey. If you found value in this video, don't forget to subscribe for more empowering insights. Stay tuned for more empowering content that empowers you to unlock your fullest potential and create the life of your dreams. Thank you for watching, and remember, you are the creator of your own reality. You can shift to any reality you want. You just need to reprogram your subconscious mind. I would love to hear from you and support you on your journey. Until next time, happy shifting.